How to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. For that, first of all, launch your Roblox application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Once you are on your Roblox homepage, you will see more option which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Simply hit on that and scroll down until you found out settings. Now go through it. Here on the top you will see account info. Tap on it. Now, if you have not verified your email address, then there you will see two options of add email and add phone number. But if you have already verified it, there is no way to add phone number. So, before verifying your email address, you can really add your phone number under account info. So in this way, you can fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.